everyone, welcome to watch the FSTpipe installation training series videos. Today we will bring you the FSTpipe aluminum pipe manual quick pipe cutting operation. The materials and tools are aluminum pipe deburrer, manual pipe cutter, tape measure, marker, aluminum pipe. Use a tape measure and a marker to mark the cut position on the DN50 aluminum pipe. Put the manual pipe cutter into the marked cutting position. Push the knife edge to the cutting position and fix it. Then rotate and tighten the manual pipe cutter to cut until the pipe is cut. Insert the cut pipe into the aluminum pipe deburrer. Pay attention to the aluminum pipe and the deburrer to form an inclination of 0 to 10 degrees, and rotate to remove the internal and external burrs entirely.